I got this 90-watt soldering gun. It's supposed to be like this. The writing's upside down. My wife got me this from T-Bill. Let's open this up here. This is what it looks like. It's a digital readout. You got to put your heat up and down. You got your power right there. This is the tip. You unscrew this, take this tip out, put a new one in. You get tips. You get a little stand for it. You get some solder. And I believe this is some flux, as they call it. I have no idea. I believe it's flux. Let's see if I can open this up. See, I don't know if I can get it through there. Yeah, right there. And I think this was, how much was this solder gun, babe? It was like 17 something on T-Mill. I wish I had this when I got that radio that I have, where the wire was off. It only ran by batteries, but that's okay because I used my father-in-law's soldering gun, and it soldered the wire on. But this is what I got here. It tells you right here. It's the HX2 5 90-watt digital. Like I showed you, everything's there. And my wife got a lot more stuff from out of there. She got our fur kids a bunch of stuff, some toys, some more toys. She got even a banana for the kids. Got a little baby bottle. I don't know why they sent her that. She didn't order that. But yeah, that's what we got from T-Mill. My wife did. And what was I gonna say? And she just threw something at me. She got a little ball, I don't know if it's a frog or what, a cricket, and it makes a noise. The back's off of this one. You gotta watch the batteries, don't come out at them. But yeah, she got two of them that makes noise, and they bat them around. And here's this one here. It's a frog. The cat's up here right now wants it. He hears it going on. He's chasing after it. Now he's picking it up, putting it in his mouth, carrying it away. But yeah, I wanted to bring that little video of the soldering iron up. Yeah, now you folks remember there's no mail on Monday. So enjoy this video. I'm still hurting. I have to go to get a shot in my back. I have, I don't know what it is. I got sharp pains running down from my back down to the buttocks to my leg, and I went to the doctors and the hospital. The hospital gave me some medication, but that only lasted for so long. So then, I mean, I get up, get around, but I get all that pain. You put all that pressure. My wife keeps telling me to relax, and be like me, I'm stubborn. I got to get up and do something. I can't have my wife doing everything. So enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.